Hi everyone. Today we're going to read The Biggest Sneeze. An old lady got an itch in her nose, and the itch made a twitch grow in her toes. She knew any second that she might sneeze, so she clung to the table and locked her knees. Her sneezes grew harder the older she got. They made her all sweaty and grouchy and hot. Well, the itch grew bigger. There was nothing to do but to open her mouth for a great "Ha-choo!" Never a sneeze like this had she sneezed. It snapped her head back and buckled her knees. It blew out the windows and flung back the door. It sent the cat skidding all over the floor. It sent the couch flying straight down the hall. It swept the pictures right off the wall. It blew tables and chairs clear out the door, then ripped the carpet right off the floor. Before it finished, it blew the house down, then blew the lawn clean out of the ground. Goodness gracious, such a sneeze! For miles and miles it stirred up a breeze. All that she owned she had blown south, including her teeth, which blew out of her mouth. But when it was over, the lady was pleased. She knew it had been a championship sneeze. Her cat crept back and grinned with relief, and he was wearing the old lady's teeth. The old lady smiled, then smiled some more. She knew that no one had done that before. So if there were a contest, she would get in, for she knew without a doubt she'd surely win. I hope you enjoyed The Biggest Sneeze. Achoo!